It's another beautiful day here in Washington, D.C., and it's a great opportunity for me to show you the Capital Bikeshare system. So you might have been traveling in different cities in the U.S. and seen bikes that you can rent and self-check out, self-check-in. So let's go check it out. We'll go find a bike and check one out and check one in so you can see the whole process. I can't wait to ride with you. Let's go. That's how simple it is. You don't have to drop off at the same place that you picked up. Look for any station with empty parking spaces and leave the bike there. In DC, you'll see a lot of people biking, walking, riding metro, riding the bus. There are also certainly cars, but it's almost easier to get around the city on public transportation and by foot. And I really like having the option of riding or walking, doing the metro, or a combination of all of those things. So the great thing about Capital Bikeshare, as opposed to riding your own bike, is that you can pick up and drop off from different locations. You can walk one way and bike back. You can metro one way and bike. It's a great way to get between places that maybe are a little less pedestrian friendly or a little more bike friendly. A lot of the roads have single bike lanes, so it might be a one-way road with 2 bike lanes on one side, or there are bike lanes built in, and there are also numerous bike paths into the city, around the city, and out of the city, so you can really get around and explore a lot of different areas using a bike.